Ladies and gentlemen, I strongly believe each and everyone in the world wants to increase their income. Today in this video, I want to share with you some of the best ways to increase your income. Number 1. Talk to your boss about your salary. If you are a job holder, talk to your boss about your salary. If you have been working at the same company for a long time, have been doing a great job for this company, and have received a good score on your performance reviews, you may have a good chance to increase your income. But before you ask for increase your income, you should do some research on your company's pay policies and make sure you have enough influence to justify your application. Number 2, do freelance work or part-time work. You can consider increasing your income by doing freelance work outside of your day job. Keep in mind that every penny you earn is one more dollar toward your overall income. Number 3, start a side business. Starting a side business is one of the best ways to increase your income. You can think about skills or capacities that you can channel into possible side business. This could be a computer repairing or graphics designing or freelance writing business. Try to maximize your skills and turn them into a unique business. One thing you should keep in mind that running your own business will require a significant time and money investment in addition to your current job. Number 4, create sources of passive income. I believe passive income is where you get paid over and over again for work that you did once. This could be royalties from publishing a book, YouTube videos, online courses, mobile apps, affiliate marketing with a blog, and so on. Number 5, dividend income. Dividend income is money paid to shareholders of stocks in the forms of cash. Dividend paying stocks are mainly attractive for those wanting to make a living with passive income, as they will get payouts each quarter or so. Even Warren Buffett is one of the greatest fan of dividend paying stock. Number 6, cutting down on expenses. Reducing your expenses by $20 to $30 a month can add up to more funds in your checking accounts and higher income. Reduce the amount of money you spend on food by cooking your own meals and only eating out once or twice a year. Again, do your repairs yourself and maintain your car or bike to avoid costly repair at an auto repairing shop. Is there anything else you would like to know more about and which was included in this video? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll be glad if you like the video and give me some ideas on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.